For decades, the broadcast and live event industry's intercom systems have been tied to rigid, hardware-centric systems. One device, one port, and one configuration. It was inflexible, inefficient, and expensive. Now, imagine a world where the hardware is just a core, and the intelligence of your communication system is entirely virtualized. Introducing ARC technology from Clearcom, a revolutionary leap from port-centric to demand-driven communications. ARC stands for Access, Resource, and Configuration, the three pillars that redefine how your team connects. Access. Move beyond shared passwords and device IDs. With ARC, every user will use a unique login across hardware panels and virtual clients. Security is dramatically enhanced and centralized, and access can be managed or revoked instantly from anywhere. Resource. With dynamic floating ports, ARC allocates resources on demand, lowering costs and enabling unattended redundancy that protects workflows automatically. Configuration. The resources follow the user, not the cable. Whether you're on a mobile app, a wireless belt pack, or a control room panel, your keys, groups, and presence travel with you. So regardless of what Clearcom hardware you use, it's the same familiar look and feel. With ARC technology, you're no longer limited by hardware. Scale your system for actual usage, not theoretical maximums. Enhance security and control. Empower your team to work anywhere on any device with total flexibility. The hardware is no longer the limit. The user is the focus. ARC technology is a revolutionary way to build your communication system, leveraging a virtual ecosystem. Welcome to the future of critical communication solutions. Meet the unchained user. Discover how ARC technology can transform your workflow. Visit clearcom.com to learn more.